Yes, me wonderful people, welcome to J Progress Entertainment again, me peeps. Me people, right now me have a story for you now. Me I go tell you about a 44-year-old beautician lady from Islington, North London, right? We live in England for over 20 years and decides she go build her dream house in a Jamaica, in a place called Boscobel St. Mary, me people. Me people, the next thing you know, the man with that woman take in fi come stay at the house and help and work in the house as the caretaker when she there England or something. Them find that same woman buried in the back of her yard, deep down in a ground, wrap up in a chapalin and concrete off the top of that, me people. Discovery is that she was stabbed to dirt things, me people. Me peeps, make we jump into the story right now. So you have this lady, this Jamaican lady, right? Went to the UK, right? And they are the UK for how many years? She living in the UK now for over 20 years, my people. She's not a British citizen. She have an indefinite leave to remain. She's a beautician in the UK, right? She work very hard and build up her little business, and she's a beautician and something. She's from a place in the UK where them call name Islington in a North London, and she get married to a white man, an older white man, in a 2004. And she was 44 years old, but the man was much older, right? But separate and apart from that, this woman now run down paperwork, now run down money. Them live alright, them have them good relationship, them happy. And not married for no paperwork, and not married for no money. It's a hard-working woman who have a dream like Martin Luther King, but her only dream was to build a dream home in Jamaica so that when she retire from stressful, dark and depressing England, she can go retire where she overlook the sea in a nice, cool, tranquil parish called St. Mary in the Boscobel area. This woman take regular visits to Jamaica from the UK. So she back and forth, do her business, her beautician thing, it her work, I put in her work, enjoy time with her husband and everything, right? But she take regular visit to Jamaica because she decide that she go build her dream house. Anyway, now me people, she finally start build that dream house now in a Jamaica. Finally start to build that dream house in a Jamaica. And she been building the house now for over 7 years. And just before the house done complete, me I tell you, say house build up, nice roof go on, everything gate, and just some final touches left on the house, my people. But you know in a Jamaica, when you build a house of that magnitude, and me I tell you, say it's a big, nice house. That is what you call a dream house. You know some people are build house and they build one little tabernacle? No. When me I tell you about house, me I tell you about dream house. And she have a nice fat Benz park up in the yard too. Because the woman a do her thing in England in her beautician business and make her money. And her money are invest in a building her dream house in a Jamaica. But like always, I don't know what it is about people who live in England for long. I never see nobody who love trust people so and trust the wrong set of people them. It come like when you live in England, it come like you turn idiot. It come like when you go back to Jamaica, you go look for the worst Satan and say him you want trust. You always end up trust the wrong person. This woman you know no do nothing over the time more than offer one brother work. This man he offer him work and have him have the caretaker. Somebody will stay at the house when she not there and take care of the house. So no caretaker. He make sure say everything alright. Material secure. Nobody no thiefy. The place in order until the house done and so and so. Him can drive the car, them or anything. Him just take him on as somebody where she trust and as the caretaker will look for the property when she gone back to England. But she take regular visit to Jamaica and spend a little time. Sometime 2 months, sometime 1 month. Me people, it so happened that 1 November this woman go down, right? And this woman go down and this woman are putting the final touches them on the house because me I tell you no, the house almost done. She have on the roof and me I tell you them nice roof. They don't know them pretty roof they way. Them a put on house nowadays where you have beer colors. You can is either red, blue, yellow and burgundy. All different kind of color roofing, people. And the place nice and a nice fat Benz park up in the yard too. So the woman, the dream where the woman have planned is actually coming true. It has come to perfection. And she's so indulged in this dream of building her dream house in Jamaica because she adamant that she and her husband are going to retire in Jamaica. Right? Obviously the husband are retire before her, but guess what? When she retire, them are going to Jamaica go live in the dream house, and as me tell you no, it is a dream house. It is a dream house, me people. The man when she take on as caretaker now we take care of the place and everything. I don't know. But Blackbird have it say. Blackbird a fly over the house top and a fly through the community all the time and a whisper and a quack, quack, quack. I say, when night come, a fall gone a roost, you have one cock a night time way outside a crow every time. That's how Blackbird have it say. So when the woman go down, she have a cock a crow at night time, and the cock where a crow and the caretaker where take care of the place. You can't ask J Progress, me no know. Me no know. Where it say in the street. You understand me I say? Right? It goes to say, and a lot of people have it say, it's a love triangle. That this caretaker and the woman were in an intimate relationship. Also, she take on the man after him work, give him somewhere to live, take him in and everything and so and so. And people have it say, is when she want a young boy, if he saka and whistle the tailpipe, yes, she come down and sitting because her husband is older and can't manage the work. And you know sometimes when a man old, you can't run up them heart, them blood pressure too much and make them heart beat too fast or else they will get heart attack. So, people say the young boy there, where the caretaker, the young man, when fall gone a roost, cock a crow at night time. People, it so happened that in the November when the woman go down, right, me people, it happened that on the 25th of that November, the lady went missing. The lady went missing now. Of course, the first person who is going to be the suspect when them can't find this woman. Because the husband stay at England and get the news say, his wife gone missing. Remember this woman that got Jamaica regular. And a 7 years she down there build her house for. So she back and forth Jamaica. And have caretaker there take care of the place. But it come like over all that years, things start happen. Me no know. That away the Blackbird a fly over the house them in the Boscobel area and a quack 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 a say. Alright? On the 25th of November, the lady go missing. And them do them little search and investigation. And them ending up lock up the caretaker and question him. And to anybody surprise me people, the caretaker confess, say, him dirt the woman and bury her in the backyard, in our hole in the backyard. What do you think happened? According to everything, they must say come like the caretaker and the woman getting an argument in the house. And the caretaker stab her to death in the kitchen, me people. Stab the poor woman to death. The same woman will take him up off of the street, offer him work, give him somewhere to stay, make him a live life, I help take care of him, I give him money all the while, I care nice things for him, I care down barrel, I care down this, I care down everything. She no put family member, she put a stranger. And I'm the caretaker, my people. And this same man can end up stab the woman to death in the kitchen. And if you think that did bad, after him stab the woman to death, him wrap her up in a one chapalin. Right? Dig one deep hole in the back of the yard, in the backyard. Throw down the woman down in it. Cover it up and then him concrete the top. And when investigation run, him come like him can't manage the pressure. Him confess and say yes. Him take the woman life. And carry the police them. And go show them the spot where the fresh concrete cast. People, detective state say. To how deep this man, remember say one hole if you bury anybody at 6'6", you know. This a man you come like him go 6'10". The hole is so deep, the detective them say even if they went care dog, if you come sense out the body, they won't find it. And if they did throw some fry up chicken and something that they hold with the woman, the dog them still wouldn't find it to how deep this man buried the woman and wrap her up in a chapel in the people. You hear me I say? The husband was so heartbroken because the husband said, the November when this woman got down, she was supposed to come back in the UK the January and they were going to have a big vacation to Thailand. They were going to Thailand in the January go enjoy themselves, my people. The husband was heartbroken. And the husband feel it because the husband said the only thing his wife have in her head was to build her dream home in Jamaica and that's what she was doing. And after working endlessly, tirelessly as a beautician in the UK and I use her money over 7 years to build up her house. And just as the house got complete, the little dirty, workless, wicked, satanic boy stab up the woman in her kitchen and bury her in her backyard. People, sometimes we don't need to know. Me tired to give you no cautionary tale so you don't know who fictures. You hear me I say? And me go give you no history again why me even bring that story up. Me have somebody coming at me message under the video when me do about the retired British woman who also get fined in her house and push under the bed. Right? Where she like try help out the boy. And the boy stab her up too and push her under bed and 3 days after them find him. Me have somebody in my comment section that ask me, where is the link for that news? How come I haven't hear it on the news? Ray. And me say to the person, say, go and go do your research, you will find it. The person have the nerve to come back to me, say they have searched and not find it. So if you will want the link for the news, that means you don't believe J Progress platform. But lady, can I come like a one woman, make me tell you this. You see J Progress Entertainment, a one and only J Progress. Me have story here where you no have a clue about. And my story them no me say happened last week or yesterday. So it come in the news yesterday. I am a storyteller. When me tell it, it happen. Me have story can done. That's why I say me give you another one penny. Some people may even know that story when me just drop now. And lady, fi show you me full of story. Fi show you say a one J Progress Entertainment and no other. And when me talk, me now fi bluff. You understand what me I say? And my story them are no fairy tale. Them happen in a real life. You see this story when me just tune about this 47-year-old woman who live in England over 20 years. Where them find buried in her backyard. You see 6 months prior to her being dirt down her yard in a Jamaica. 2 British national was also dirt in a Manchester, Jamaica, in a them own home. Me tell you already. A J Progress this. Me have story can done. So you see you, whoever you is, we want link for story and something. Member. You see this a brain ya? It the news media. You see when J Progress bring it come give you see if you no believe, you can left it. Or you go search the whole of the media. If you're lucky enough, you will find it. Because every story where J Progress drop, it happen in a real life. Member good. Me tired uno na fi ask nobody nothing about me, you know? And nobody na fi tell uno nothing about me. Lady, I want J Progress Entertainment. Believe.